Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Show. Today meet the 2025 Audi Q4 e-Tron, the compact electric SUV that combines Audi's luxury DNA with cutting-edge electric performance. If you're looking for an eco-friendly ride without compromising on style and technology, the Q4 e-Tron is here to impress. Let's start with some of the standout features. Inside, you'll find a high-tech cockpit with Audi's signature Virtual Cockpit Plus, a 10.25-inch digital display that puts all the key information right in front of the driver. The 11.6-inch central touchscreen offers intuitive control of infotainment, navigation, and more, with full smartphone integration, of course. The cabin is built with top-notch materials, and the available panoramic sunroof gives the interior an airy, luxurious feel. There's plenty of space for passengers and cargo, making it a versatile option for families or weekend adventurers. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 Q4 e-Tron comes in two powertrain options, the rear-wheel drive model with 201 horsepower or the more powerful all-wheel drive version with 295 horsepower. Whichever you choose, the Q4 delivers smooth, responsive handling with its electric motor offering instant torque. The Q4 e-Tron offers a range of up to 280 miles on a full charge, making it a strong contender in the EV market. With DC fast charging capabilities, you can get up to 80% battery in just 30 minutes, perfect for those quick pit stops. Visual, exterior walk-around showing the sleek lines and lighting, star. Audi's design language is evident in every inch of the Q4 e-Tron, from its sleek LED headlights to the bold single-frame grille. Aerodynamic lines and 19-inch wheels complete the modern, sporty look. This is a compact SUV that commands attention on the road. One of the unique selling points of the Q4 e-Tron is how it blends Audi's luxury legacy with sustainability. The use of recycled materials throughout the cabin adds to its eco-friendly appeal without sacrificing the premium feel. The 2025 Audi Q4 e-Tron is a perfect balance of technology, performance, and style, making it a great choice for those ready to make the shift to electric. So, are you ready to experience the future of driving?